Alright, looks like we got another good one on here. I had to bring this one to everybody's attention because it was definitely two firsts for me. First off, I'm going to land this giant fish with an ordinary 5-gallon bucket. Because I don't have a net, that's why. It worked pretty good. Maybe I'll use it again, eh? And secondly, this fish had the most amazing line of defense. I have yet to see anything even close to it. You will immediately release this fish when it starts its new line of defense. Now granted, it's a catfish and it's got pointy barbs and a big snapping jaw and slime tail that could get on you. This one had a whole new defense that you just gotta see. At any rate, I got this big catfish on here. He's putting up a heck of a battle. I'm getting back little pieces of the line as it's coming up, and you can see it's really frayed bad from being wrapped around the pillars down there and probably rubbing up the bottom of my boat. I can see it now. It's a big catfish, big bullhead, one of those brown bullheads. Alright, here comes the bucket, folks. Here comes the bucket. I'm looking around for a net. Of course, I don't have one, so why bother look, you know? Alright, I'm going to give this a try. I've never did it before. Yeah, the line might be able to hold it normally because it's only about a 5 or 6 pound bullhead. But it's really frayed, the line. You can see big cuts in it. It's ready to go. So I'm going to try to get it in this bucket here. Might work really good if I put a bunch of holes in the bottom of it. Oh, but hey, that'll defeat the bucket's use to clean the boat and put bait fish in and shrimp, right? Alright, I got it. Definitely going to use that trick again sometime, I suppose. Kind of heavy though, pulling that up full of water and giant fish. Alright, let's get him out of there and get everybody a good look at this thing, because it's a whopper for a brown bullhead. I think the world record's only about 7 pounds or something like that, so it might even be a 7-pounder, I don't know. But I'm going to hold it up here to the camera and give everybody a good look at it. I do have a pair of stainless steel pliers that I use to grip fish, so I'm going to lift it out of there with that. We're going to get him up here and get a good look at him. Well, what a nice day it is out here. It's early morning. Water's just like glass. You can see the palm trees in the reflection from the shore there. I'm about 150 feet from the shore. Water here is about 9 feet deep. Here he comes. He's coming out. Look at the size of that brown bullhead. Now that's a whopper. Alright, here comes his defense now. Get ready. Oh, there he goes. He's got liquid diarrhea. It's just coming out of him like wee-wee. You can see it pouring in the water down there. It's all over the boat. It's like, dude, get out of here. Yuck. Instant release. Bye-bye. Yeah. Don't even want any of that water splash up on me. I'm going to have to go get the hose and rinse this boat off. It's just disgusting. Well, that's a new defense that the catfish can have. Liquid diarrhea to the maximus. Ugh. That's just unbelievable. You talk about wanting to get rid of that fish instantly. I just washed this boat yesterday. That's alright. It's just some liquid diarrhea. I'm going to spray it off here with the hose. I went out there to turn it on. Close the hatch. Batten down the hatches. Oh, get off of here, you slimy diarrhea. Ugh. Nasty. It's alright, people. Catfish got a new defense. Watch out for it. Coming to a boat or a leg or foot near you. Nice to have a freshwater hose ready to spray the boat down with. Alright. I'm even going to spray the bucket because he went number 2 in there also. I was going to say he went number 2 in there too, but that didn't sound right, so I said, yeah, he went in there also. Alright, there's another bite. Was editing the film, video, whatever you want to call it. Got another one on. Doesn't seem anywhere near as big as the other one, but he's putting on pretty good tussle. Figured I'd go ahead and edit this booger in here if we can get him into the boat. Caught both of these fish on soft taco shell. Yep, I swear. Easy and clean bait. About $2-3 a pack. Should get at least 8 or 10 tacos shells for that. Now this one's a lot smaller than the other one. He's still a pretty good respectable size. I'm expecting him to do the squirt thing that his buddy did, so I'm pretty quick with him there. Go ahead and give him a release. Give him some air. Breathe. Breathe. Get out my trusty pliers. We'll send him on his way. And he swallowed that one. Might need a little bit of extra care. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe. Gonna get out and catch some more fish now. The water temperature's up to 58 degrees. It's gonna be 80 degrees today, about 60 degrees tonight. So we'll make some more videos, eh? Take care, everybody.